Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. It's for the workshop walk around. So let's just start. In fact, we'll start off with. Here we go. Can you see that? Oh no. There you go, Steve. Steve, we're asking. Casio people have been watching these videos and seeing what watch I've got on, because I have got quite a collection of Casios. Today, Steve, it's the Casio GB200 negative display. Anyway, right, okay. So on with the proper stuff. So, we have got the workshop walk around the first one is, if I can get round to it this afternoon, is Graham's monkey bike. It's leaking from both tyre valves. So I do believe there's a bit of corrosion behind each one, so it's leaking a bit of pressure. So I said I'll sort that out before I go away for a few days with the wonderful wife, Mrs. Tepp. Right, so this Triumph Tiger Sport, that's in for a service today. We've got the Cross Runner there. The Cross Runner has had fork seals and an MOT. That's had. Andy's Tiger, you saw this. I did this on Wednesday. Has had a beautiful new chain and sprockets. Andy, you wonderful person. I thought you would have picked this up by now. Anyway, I suppose we'll see you today. Right, here's Wayne's. Look, Wayne's has been all sorted. That has had a... What has that? Do you know what? I've lost... I don't know what that's had. Neil sorted that. Oh, that's also had a chain and sprockets. And it had something else. Oh, steering head bearings. Boom! Steering head bearings. The Tiger is on the bench. That's the one we've been waiting for the gasket for. Does that mean there's a gasket on its way today? Ooh, let's see. I don't know yet. We'll find out about that. Oh, look at this. Look at this. What's in this box? Ooh, matron! Right, okay, we've got something saucy in that box, which means John's GSXR paintwork is back from Craig, and that should be back in the land, not the land of the living, because it's already living. It runs and rides. Well, not quite like that, but the panel work is going to be back on, so it's going to look like a bike and be back on the road. Right, so we've got the ZX6. The ZX6 is waiting on a cam chain tensioner. The Tiger we've got in the background there, that's ours. It's for sale. It is up for sale. It's ready for sale. I just don't advertise it anywhere. So if anybody wants a Tiger 1200, as you can see, selling bikes is not our primary thing. We're more the service and repair side of things, but we do get the odd one in, and that's a Triumph Tiger 1200. At some point in the near future, or maybe next year, I'll take some pictures and advertise it properly. But for now, it's just parked in the corner. Right, so the silver wing's all sorted. That's ready for collection. So manoeuvre a few bikes out. You know about the 888. So that's pretty much it for now. So I thought I'd throw this in early before the day begins. What else have I got to say? Oh, right. Yes. Tomorrow is the last day to get your orders in for any clothing. So hoodies or t-shirts, I'm putting a clothing order in on Monday, but the cut-off point will be tomorrow when we close at 12 o'clock. So anybody who's not pre-ordered, if you want anything, let me know. Lose my train of thought. Let me know before 12 o'clock tomorrow. So you've got all day today and up to 12 tomorrow. If it's not in by then, we will have stock, but they'll be black. We do keep a few white. I get a few white in stock, but mainly black, because obviously that's what we're wearing in the shop, and that's our main colour, because us grease monkeys are dirty little blinders, and the black is the best colour to hide all the stuff. What else is there to tell you? Right, the coffee station's hot. Oh, and the glowing ball in the sky is beaming brightly. Right, we like that, right, we like that. Right, so okay, and that's it. So that's the Friday workshop walk around. Shout out to Steve with the Casio, because I know you're intent on finding out what I'm wearing each day. Although if you're a proper Casio nerd, you should know what I'm wearing just by looking at it. Other than that, alright, we're done. Workshop walk around all sorted. This is Friday, this is Dr. Teppy saying goodbye, and I will see you on the next one. It's Friday, you know what that means? Hey! Woo!